And also I have sewing to do. Like I want to be able to do like literally pillowcases, like my sofa bed as well. So if I can be able to do those things, it will be so amazing. Like I have so many things in the list to do, like the tick box. Let me take you to doing this, my DIY of doing the pillowcases, because I've actually got the things that I need to order to do the pillowcases. So I've been trying to record this for a while, but I'm gonna show you guys the process of how I'm going to be doing it. So yeah, so I've ordered this from Amazon. So this is how it came. It is a single bed protector, duvet protector, and this is how it looks like once when you open it from the packaging. So what I want to do is that I want to lay this flat and cut the pieces, like cut how I want it to be, because I'm going to show you guys the next step. So I'm going to just take it like that and then measure it, because I have this thing that I really need to use this to measure it. So what I want to do is to measure that in there like that. So like that, like so. Then I can put the pillowcases in. So yeah, like that. That's absolutely fine. Yeah, yeah, like that, fine. I don't want to cut this thing here, so I'm going to move it now. I don't need it. I don't want to cut it. Move that, then cut the rest. Yeah. Yep, that is it. Good.